Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Toro Multiforce from mowing to plowing. The tools that you're going to need for this are going to be a 9/16 socket, 3/4 socket, and a 5/8 socket. You're also going to need a 9/16 and a 5/8 wrench. First things first, we're going to slide these pieces of wood underneath the deck and then drop the deck down. After lowering the deck, now you're going to remove the belt. If you reach back and pull off of the clutch, it's now released from the clutch and the deck can now be removed with nothing in the way. There is a diagram referring on how to put the belt back on. It is kind of hard to see, so I would recommend taking a picture or jotting it down on a piece of paper. There's 6 bolts holding this deck on, 2 in the back for the chains, 2 in the hanger for the front, and then the front strut. Now I'm going to remove the front strut that has 2 bolts. They have carriage bolts, so you don't need a wrench or anything for the other side. You just need your 9/16 socket and your handy dandy impact gun. Make sure you retain all your hardware, so when you go to put your deck back on for springtime, you're not looking all over the place for it. Now I'm gonna remove the deck hangers for the right and the left-hand side. All you'll need for this is the 5/8 wrench and your 5/8 socket and that same old handy dandy impact gun. Same thing on both sides here. When you take the deck off, the deck height adjustment clips are going to come off with it. I always put them back on the bolts on the same exact one I take them off. So when I put it back on in the springtime, I don't have to readjust the deck. I know everything's good to go. After you remove all the bolts, to easily slide this deck out, you need to turn these wheels just by hand like this to allow for some extra clearance. And now all you need to do is slide the deck out from underneath. Now we're going to adjust the caster arms back to their furthest back position. All you'll need for that is a 3/4 inch socket and the same impact gun. Now after moving the caster wheels, we're going to put the triangle in the front. All you need to do is remove this pin and slide it in, kind of like putting like a tow ball on your truck. And now that everything's set up on the machine, I just need to drive up to it and hooking up these quick connects. Really easy, just pull the coupling back, push it in there, and you'll hear it click. Then you just need to twist this back in the lock position, and we're gonna turn the machine on, actuate the hydraulics, and you're ready to plow some snow. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.